In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wise transaction history. To get started, sign into your Wise account using your usual login method. Once you're inside your account dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account view so it's easier to navigate. Next, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Transactions. This will open the section where Wise keeps a record of your account activity. On this page, you'll see a list of your most recent transactions displayed automatically. This is usually the fastest way to get a quick overview of your latest transfers, payments, or incoming funds. If the transaction you're looking for isn't visible right away, scroll down the page to load and view older transactions. This is helpful if you need to go back further in your account history and review activity from an earlier date. If you already know what you're looking for, use the search bar to find a specific transaction more quickly. You can search using relevant details connected to the transaction, which can save time instead of manually scrolling through the full list. For a more refined search, click Filters. This option helps you narrow down the transaction list so you only see the results that matter to you. After opening the filter options, select the ones that match what you want to find. Depending on what's available, this can make it much easier to focus on a particular type of transaction or time period. Once you've chosen your filter options, apply them to update the transaction history on the screen. The page will refresh to show only the transactions that match your selected criteria. When you find the transaction you want to inspect, click on it to open its details. This is where you can review the key information for that specific entry, including the amount, the date, its current status, and the recipient or sender details. Checking this page is useful if you want to confirm whether a payment was completed, review transfer information, or verify who sent or received the funds. After reviewing the transaction details, return to the Transactions page if you want to continue browsing through your history. You can repeat the same process to inspect other transactions, search again, or adjust your filters. If you need a copy of your transaction history, click Download to export it. This can be useful for personal record keeping, expense tracking, or sharing information with an accountant if needed. Once the file has been downloaded, open it and review it to make sure it contains the information you were expecting. Thanks for watching.